Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and I am representing eConceptual here. What exactly is eConceptual? eConceptual is a combination of different residency programs for different branches like conceptual orthopedics. The same team is coming out with something more exciting for the residents of anesthesia. What is it? It's called as conceptual anesthesia. When are we releasing it? We are releasing it on the Independence Day of the country, 15th of August. When are we starting the booking for the same? We are starting it on 8th of August. Why this date of 8th of August? We are ready. And a personal reason. It is the birthday of one of our friends, Goga Bhai. Who is Goga Bhai? Dr. Gobind Rai Garg sir. He represents the teaching for the students. And that's the theme of conceptual anesthesia, to create residents with better knowledge and skills. We will have one of the best teachers of the country and beyond coming together and sharing the knowledge. Who is going to be in the center of it? We have a great dynamic teacher, Dr. Janvi Bajaj. What is she going to do? She is going to build up the lectures. She is going to make the notes. She is going to teach you the procedures. Is she the only one? Absolutely not. She has beautifully drafted this curriculum along with other teachers who have contributed in doing what all? Number one, making fantastic academic content in shape of beautifully drafted lectures. Second, we will have live interactions so that we keep your studies on the track. Third, you have gone through a lecture, you can't go through it again and again. So there are notes integrated with the same. You are a resident. You will require some handbooks. So we are releasing 2 books for you. One will be about the drugs of anesthesia, which you need day in, day out. Number 2 will be about the instruments which you use in the OT or beyond. How to use them. These procedures are beautifully demonstrated. You think we are going to stop here? No. We are going to tickle you with some pearls and questions so that you always stay closer to your subject. So remember, there are something more coming. There are more details being shared soon, but this is just an announcement to tell you we are starting the booking in 4 days from today. We are releasing the app on 15th of August. This is the team that created history in the country, creating conceptual orthopedics. The theme is very simple. The learning never ends. And we need the blessings and love which we have always been having in this country. Thank you very much.